Hi everyone, welcome to Module 2 or Week 2, however you refer to it. So this week we're going to be talking about black organized crime and how might be somewhat similar to outlaw or motorcycle clubs or gangs. Keep in mind that motorcycle clubs are fall under the category of STGs or security threat groups. Whereas organized crime is a little bit different in something that we kind of covered during Module 1. So keep in mind the type of activities and the birth of these two types of organizations. The time period during the United States, there's a lot of connections historically, socially, civil rights movement, the conditions of prisons in California and on the East Coast. So try to make the similarities and see how the historical connotations actually impacted both organizations. The second part of the week, we're going to be discussing whether or not organized crime is transnational. It's really important to think about the types of crimes that these organizations engage in. I know during week 1 we kind of talked about organized crime in general terms. Some of you looked at organized crime as the planning versus the actual organizational structure. The types of crimes that organized crime criminals engage in has a lot to do with human trafficking, drug trade, weapons trafficking, crimes similar to those. So when you look at whether or not it's transnational, think about the impacts that we talked about during week 1 to the small business owner, to the corporate owner, to the general citizen. Are transnational crimes, do they impact citizens here in the United States or even law enforcement? So as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I hope you enjoy this week.